First, as the primary account holder, open the Boost Mobile app on your smartphone or visit the Boost Mobile website on your computer and sign in to your account. Next, navigate to the Manage Lines section. This is designed for easy self-service and is available directly in the app or on the website. Then, select the specific line you wish to cancel from your account. Before finalizing, confirm there are no outstanding balances. If the device on that line is leased through Boost's installment plan, you'll need to return it. Once confirmed, deactivate the SIM card, whether it's a physical SIM or an eSIM, through the app or your device settings. Keep in mind, full cancellation might take up to 2 billing cycles. As of 2025, Boost Mobile primarily handles line removals online, so no need to visit a store. Removing a line from Boost Mobile involves several fees and considerations. Be aware that removing a line might incur a $10 cancellation fee, particularly outside of promotional periods. Early termination fees apply to lines on installment plans, potentially ranging from $50 to $200, depending on the device contract. Removing a line from a family plan can also affect shared data allowances and may reduce pooled benefits. Looking ahead, Boost Mobile and the prepaid market are trending towards more user empowerment and sustainability. Expect AI-driven features, such as alerts for underused lines, potentially simplifying line management even further. The FCC is also pushing for easier line portability to offer consumers more choice.